Everybody, I'm gonna sing a song for you in just a second.
It's called I'm Confused.
In just a second. In just a second.
Did he ride his bike here? Yeah.
It's my breath.
Did Jared ride his bike? Hello, Wall.
Here we go. It comes naturally. You follow what you feel inside. Listen to it. You have to try it. Comes naturally. And it takes my breath away. What you do so naturally. You are thunder, and I'm lightning, and I love the way you move your feet. It comes naturally. Yes, me, everything's gonna wait. So it comes naturally. Say the Thanks, bye.